Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Software and Tech with Enamul. Today I will show you how to resolve a Git merge conflict and also why it is important not to use git commit -m message during a merge. So let's get started. First let's create a project. I will use git init command for that. Git init, let's call it merge demo. Then we cd into this merge demo directory. Okay, now we are into merge demo, and on branch master let's rename this branch to main, so it's now called main branch. Yes. Okay, sorry for that. Now let's create a file and add some text to it. Let's line 1, name the file.txt. Add it to git. Okay, now we have this file.txt with only one line of code, line 1. Let's commit it and call it initial commit. Okay, now let's clear it so you can see better. Okay, now let's create another branch. We can call it feature. We are already in feature branch. With this command you can create a new branch and switch back to it immediately with one command. Okay, now we are in, as you can see, we are in feature branch. We'll add some code in this branch. Let's call it line 2 from feature. Okay, we'll have it in the file.txt, same file we created in main branch. As you can see, you already have the code. Now we'll add it to git, commit it, very normal stuff. Let's this commit message is add line 2 from feature. Okay, it is committed. Now let's switch back to main branch. We are now in main branch and line 2 is not here. So let's say we want to add some new code from this branch. Line 2 from main, and we'll have the same file. It's here. We'll add it, we'll commit it, line 2 from main. Okay, everything is good so far. Now let's merge feature branch into our main branch. See, now we have a conflict because we have line 2 from main branch and feature branch, so we have to resolve this conflict. So based on our requirement or scenario, or your requirement or scenario, you can decide if you want to keep it the line from main branch or from the feature branch, or both. Let's say we need both lines, so we'll keep both. Okay, so now we have line 1, line 2 from main, line 2 from feature. We can now add it, and it is added. Now comes the we come to the interesting part or the key part of this video. Why we should not use git commit -m message when we are resolving a merge conflict. Because when we are resolving a merge conflict, Git already knows it's a merge, so we don't need to explicitly add a commit message for it. Also, if you use -m, you are overriding the helpful default merge message Git wants to generate. which is something like merge branch feature into main with the history. This message helps future developers, even yourselves also in the future, understand why the commit exists. If you override it, you lose important history context. So instead of using git commit hyphen m then a message, we can simply use git commit. See, and it is committed. Now we can check our log and see how it looks. Git log hyphen hyphen one line. See, this is our initial commit. This is our commit from the feature branch. This is a line 2 commit from main branch, and this is our merge commit. And we don't need this git commit hyphen m message command for this, and it maintains a better history of the context and it helps us in the future. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please like, comment and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.